Kashmir, a breathtaking white world, which is often scarred by red blood marks loathing this divine landscape. Instigated by this scenario, a young 19 years old Adhik Kadam left his secure environment in Pune and landed into the state of Kashmir. From 1998 to 2000, Adhik Kadam, along with his assistant Bharati, was wandering from village to village in Kashmir. In Kupwara district alone, they came across nearly 22,000 orphaned children, entangled into hundreds and thousands of tragic stories, further intensifying the horrifying cries lost in this valley. In Kupwara district alone, they came across nearly 22,000 orphaned children, entangled into hundreds and thousands of tragic stories, further intensifying the horrifying cries lost in this valley.
There was one such incident where the father and both his brothers died during the service. And since the father had been brutally tortured during his service, he suffered post war trauma and later died due to illness. And on top of this, the mother couldn't handle the shock and went insane. Since their mother was nowhere to find, the Sarpanch of the village left these three girls with us.
Such lost souls in morbid conditions in Kashmir inspired Adhik and his subordinates to take up the task of Borderless World Foundation. Borderless World Foundation is nothing less than a knight in shining armor for all these orphaned girls cursed by destiny. Under this foundation, there is an intention of providing a safe home for all such innocent souls. Accordingly, there is a shelter built in Kupwara, Anantnag, Dirbha and Bargham for Muslim orphan girls named Basera-e-Tabassum and a similar one for Hindu orphan girls in Jammu named Fa. Borderless World Foundation, Adhik Kadam and his subordinates are not only providing a stable roof for these girls but also acted as a ladder for imparting education to them so that they become independent and stand on their own legs. Not just this, these girls are even sent for educational tours to other parts of India in cities like Mumbai and Pune, which further helps them to widen their horizons. This organization has even given scholarships for 3 of the girls here to attend higher education in Pune. Everything put together, the expenses spent on these girls run into some few lakhs per month. There are lots of young faces, including some of Adhik's friends that has given a major contribution which played a significant role in the smooth functioning of Borderless World Foundation. The world around each of us is full of chaos and adversities. But the environment hovering these innocent children is terribly grave. In between this instability, Borderless World Foundation is a silver lining, giving them a ray of hope to survive and fight back. Borderless World Foundation does not wave any political flag, nor does it endorse any religious trademark. It's a thought to revive humanity and help the human. Because even today, in some nook and corner of Kashmir, the fatal war continues to be. The blood drops stain the homes, and some orphan is left all alone.